Yo, 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 what is going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. What's good, what's good, what's good? Happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Thirsty for some wins Thursday. Let's go. This is the way I live. All right. What's good, guys? What up, what up, what up, what up? Let me go ahead and get this all settled. There we go. What's going on, Team Bull? What up, what up, what up? $52. All right, and good morning, everybody. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. Yo, what's up, Artif, Cunningham, Weave, Quakey, Vasco, Jeff, J Rod, Chris, Just Avalanche, Fernando. Oh, perfect timing. You're early. What? Why?
I went to sleep early, bro. I went to sleep at like 7.
How are your teeth?
Good.
You fine?
I was counting gold all night.
Oh, I went to sleep for mine. I was in middle or high school, bro.
Bro,
Uh-huh.
I felt them, took the tires, pulling it out.
You can like feel the pressure?
Yeah, just pulling it.
Was it weird?
I felt like a POW prisoner.
Felt like a POW prisoner. It's terrible. What's good, everybody? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's good? What's good? Check, check, check. All right, we're good there. What is good? What is good? I'm excited for today. Hopefully, we can catch a really nice trade. Oh, Denver Nuggets logo. I see you, bro. Bro wants the account today. We are brothers from another mother. Yes, sir. Yo, we are having FFF Day today, which means code Jdun will get you the biggest discount above any other code in existence on your first 5 accounts. You can get 50% off your first 5 accounts, up to 80% off the Velocity account. See that, Gene? Code Jdun gets people 50% off the premieres and primes today. That's a damn good deal, huh? It's a damn good deal. Better than you'll see anywhere else. I said, y'all don't want to do this with Team DOD. I said, you got to be careful letting us in the doors. Because they ain't gonna just go and blow their accounts. We're on trade smart and trade safe. Yep, Funded Futures Family. They paid out $17 million so far. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, you guys can go get yourself an account right now. Is the Premier one-day pass, Gene? Yep. So the accounts Gene likes are the Premiers. They're 50% off for your first 5 accounts. Can you check how much the Prime and Premier plans are with code Jdun? What? Oh. Yeah, the Premier is only $79 with no activation fee. That's actually wild. Yeah, but the Prime is $90 with code Jdun with no activation fee. That's honestly nuts. That's honestly insane. Any other today? I was in the prize. Let's go, baby. Am I a scalper? Kind of. I'm a day trader. Sometimes I scalp. It depends on how fast. If you're talking about 10, 15-second trades, no. Minutes, yeah. What's up, bro? What's up, dog? Yeah, it was. I mean, we went up, but we didn't really have any meaningful pullbacks to how we like to trade. And the breakouts didn't really have a lot of volume either. Yep, we're going to get something real nice today. 27,000. How crazy is that? Got your coffee yet?
Go and grab it right now.
Nice. Struggle with don't. FFF is funded futures family. Yep. We're having FFF Day specifically, meaning that code Jdun until the end of the day, until 5 p.m. Eastern time, will get you the best possible discount of any code. You get 50% off your first 5 accounts. Mind you, this is the same firm that Gene got his $20,000 in payouts from. It's a steal. It's honestly a steal today. Both of the plans I like are 1 day pass too. Gene, is there consistency on Prime and Premieres?
In the funded?
Yeah.
Yeah,
40? 40%. 1 day pass on both. Yep. 3 days to pay out. You can copy trade. Yep. If you guys want to take my next trade with me today, I'm going to do my best for you guys all to get 1 to 5 accounts with FFF and get them passed today. Make them regret giving us 50% off. Make them regret it. Yeah, come on, baby. Pass it. Get it done, my boy. Can I explain how the funded account works? So basically, you get an account, and if you follow the rules, if you hit the profit targets and meet all of the criteria, you get paid. What's up, Gene? Damn, you're railing me with the coffee. Did the needles they poked you with for numbing hurt?
I hate needles.
What?
I hate needles.
I don't like those mouth needles, bro.
They suck.
Yeah, they suck.
Gotta go eat some bugs, man.
Some what?
Some bugs?
What about the just no meat?
Yeah, it's from me.
What's good, everybody? Good morning. What's up, everybody? Team DOD. What's up, team DOD? Team D to the O to the O to the D. You always trade this way? I mean, I've always traded price action, but I've switched it up a little bit over the years. I've always adapted into what works best. You have to be very adaptable as a trader. It's not the strongest who survives. Oh no, it's the most adaptable. The most flexible. Which funded futures plan do you recommend? I personally recommend the Premier accounts. That's what Gene has been paid like 20,000 from, or the Prime. They're both 50% off for your first 5 accounts only with code Jdun. And only today. Today is the only chance to get 50% off. They never do that. They do the 30 to 40. It's in, if you guys look in the announcements tab in Discord, it is in there. It's also my TikTok link there, and you guys can see it on the tube in the pinned comment. It is only today. I like Lucid and Apex, but today is FFF day. Oh. Legs. All right, there we go. Let's get it. We got 7 more minutes till market open, everybody. How y'all doing? Today we'll be chopping and we'll see. Y'all hit the like goals. We got more giveaways today to do today too. If you guys want those IG ones, make sure to check your DMs. Those were sent out this morning. Let's get it, y'all. I was a little bummed we didn't get to take a trade yesterday, but nonetheless, we followed our plan. Being here is already a great start. Great head start. I just watch all his videos and watch him live every morning. Let's go. Nice job, Matt. If I don't care about whether the market moves up or down. I care about whether I followed my plan. That's what matters to me. I seen Tesla had earnings and then immediately was up, and then after that it wasn't up anymore. It went up and then it went down. So I don't know what that was. I guess the earnings call didn't go well. Come on, Elon. I need my long-term Tesla to print. Oh my God. I just seen that Carvana sell off. Do you guys see that? Look at this. Look at this Carvana sell off. Oh, whoops. Let me put it on this screen. Let's go to this daily chart here. Look at this. There's certainly no manipulation here. Certainly no manipulation here at all. Definitely not. From a high of 850 down to 440 in a single day. Yeah, Avis, whatever car. Avis. Look at that. Okay, guys, I get it. Whatever. Carvana, Avis, same thing. That's insane. Look at that. 850 down to 430. That is absolutely bananas. Imagine if you had just shorted. Like, let's see what. Let's just go see, just for the hell of it, what those puts did. Just for the heck of it, let's go see. All right, car. Okay. Let's just say, for the heck of it, we had some 600 puts. Those went from, oh my gosh, $2,800 a piece to, what is that, 18,000 a piece? Can you imagine? That's bananas. It's simply just insane.
All right, people, let's do this.
Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. We're looking at that stock car. The individual stock car That had a huge short squeeze. Huge. Do you have a video on trading individual stocks? Not specifically, but my strategy works for individual stocks just like it works for futures. Ding, 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 ding. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. As a reminder, today is a great day, a beautiful day, a perfect day to choose DOD and take a step forward in your trading. Every single morning that you come on and you choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine, and you follow your plan and you wait for your confirmations and you manage your risk, you make steps forward. You take steps forward in your trading. So let's get it. You're in the right place to learn. You're in the right place to stay disciplined. Let's make it happen, y'all. We also have FFF Day going on today, meaning that code Jdun is the only code in the entire industry right now with FFF that will get you 50% off. This is an incredible deal. It's the same firm Gene got 20,000 plus in payouts from and is a live trader with. I recommend you guys do the Prime or the Premier accounts. The Prime is $90 with no activation fee, 3 days to pay out, only 3 days to pay out. And the Premier is, I want to say, the Premier is for end of day is only $79, no activation fee. End of day drawdown. Tell me that's not a damn good deal. Go run it up and show them what Team DOD does. Let's get you guys some evals pass. They're both 1 day pass as well. Order filled. Yep, with code Jdun. That's right. Let's get it today, guys. No trades yesterday. We chose the ultimate level of discipline yesterday. Stop filled. Hey, that's my side job, guys. Is I work for Ninja Trader. I work at Tradeovate. Ninja filled. Need a voiceover for evaluation one. That's we ain't putting that out. We ain't putting that out there. As a reminder, YouTube, you guys got light goals to hit. You guys hit that thumbs up button on the YouTube. Hit them like goals. You all get accounts. Today and today only. Kevin Premier or Prime accounts. Yeah, we have data today too, right? 9:45. Oh, so 10 minutes. I like when we have data at 9:45 because we don't really trade until then anyway, so. Also, you guys know what a pretty good deal is too? Is their velocity plan has no activation fee. It's only $16 for a 25K account. $16. Mind you, it's a hard plan. It's not easy, but it's also it's a very low financial barrier to entry. So velocity plans 80% off. I recommend you guys, for those of you that use Lucid or Tradeify or Apex, to do the Prime or the Premier. But yeah, there is a $16 plan. You can get a $16 plan with no activation fee. For those of y'all that are balling on a budget. Yep. It is. They paid out $17 million. Go milk my old firm. Let's get it. All right, here's what I want to see today, folks. I want to see us get a strong break again for a move up. I'd like to see a break above this 27,080. In a perfect world, we'd see a sell-off first down to pre-market low, find some support, and then move up. Big shout out to giving us FFF Day. Big shout out to the Funded Futures family, helping the DOD family get some cheaper accounts. That's right. What was Gene doing in there? Nope, no activation fee. No activation fees on FFF. That's fire. Super fire. All right, we got our 1 minute chart here. You guys see that steak on my story last night on my personal IG? Oh, it was so good. So good, man. You know why we trade Grizzly? Why do we trade Grizzly? What's the number one reason we trade? To get the best steaks and sushi on the planet. We love ourselves some steak and sushi. We love ourselves some steak and sushi, baby. Come on. Getting time and freedom back is too, but getting some quality sushi and steak, ooh. And a lobster tail. Man. I just want to buy new windows for my house. That's a damn good goal. Windows aren't cheap either. Don't get it twisted. Windows are not cheap. Not cheap. You trading today, Gene? Bro got his wisdom teeth pulled yesterday. Didn't even go under anesthesia, which is crazy. You're not really even swollen, Gene. I thought you'd be. I got some funny pictures of Eugene. I don't know why the dopamine one sent. Not sure about that. Oh, that's hilarious. You buy one after one. Yep. All right, guys. We wait for our key levels to confirm. We wait for our A+ setup. When we get that A+ setup, that is when we attack. No dart throwing today. I'd never throw darts. I'm actually the exact opposite of a dart throwing trader. You see a lot of traders that just go and throw darts and then claim the winners. Not me. Never your boy. We trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD on this side. My ultimate goal is to help y'all find a nice winning trade today that follows the system. We have data in 1 minute as well. So we'll have to see what that gives us. I don't trust many people, but Jdun won my trust easy. All green flags here. I do my best, bro. That means a lot, DGO. Those TikTok traders are crazy. They blow their accounts all night and people take advice. I mean, there's a reason they do that. I tell you guys that all the time. They want you to follow their trades and blow your account, so you have to use their code again and spend more money. There's a reason they're taking 5 trades a day. Or you could choose DOD, trade with me. I keep a 70 to 80% win rate. I do my best to help you guys keep any losses we do have small and encourage you guys to use good habits. So I do appreciate you guys using code JDUN. It is FFF day today. And you guys can get 50% off your first 5 accounts. 5 per trader. This is a great firm to have in your arsenal, even if you want their velocity plans. They're $16 a piece for the 25Ks. You could get 5 25K accounts on the velocities for $16 a piece and have 5 funded accounts for $90. Mind you, it's not an easy pass, but it's not easy at all. All right, same deal. Same scenario as yesterday. Do you guys see the similarity with yesterday? No, I would have rather seen us move up first. Or down first, excuse me. So we'll see. Hitting a spicy trade. That's right. $140. I remember when this guy only traded options. Dude is the GOAT. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, dog. Let's see if we can get a higher volume confirmation candle here. Let's see if we can get a higher volume confirmation candle here. Yeah, I'm going to be trading NQ on my live account today. Per usual. Per most of the time. I will trade micros on occasion on my live if something's really high risk. All right. Let's see if this gives us setup. We might get the same setup as I was watching yesterday. One week we need to just rip options only for old time's sake. You know what, Big Zo? I like that. Who's all on board, Team Bull? If we just rip options for a week, we'll go real old time's sake. We'll go 0 DTE options for a week. For a whole week straight. And you can still trade futures alongside that too. Like they move the same. Not the instruments, but the underlying, like SPY and ES or QQQ and NASDAQ. Like if I said I'm in QQQ calls, that would mean NQ longs. Like they move the same. A lot of y'all forget I only traded options for a long time. I also traded penny stocks for a while too. You watching for, I was going to say, long entry too? Or are you going to reject that supply?
Just waking back down. We almost had a long entry. This candle's getting ugly.
Yep. If we close up here, it wouldn't be horrible.
72 will be my entry. I take it.
I hate that wick.
That posted delta.
I don't think the 15-minute high looks like a bad. Like this pre-market high down to 15-minute high doesn't look terrible. You just have to have risk below like 40. What the hell? What? Well, well, I guess we're not going to take that. That's crazy. Is I was contemplating it. I was like, weighing out the risk reward. Still waiting. I'm waiting on my entry, guys. You guys will know if I enter something. I would have rather seen on this candle here, we had good volume, but I don't like how nearly half this candle is wick. Not quite all, but good amount of wick. I'm still not opposed to the longs. I'm just watching how this candle plays out. That was a very aggressive wick down.
We're still being trade. This is ugly. Previous candle.
You guys are doing all right in the likes. Come on, YouTube. You guys get those thumbs up. The more you do, the more accounts I give away to y'all. Hey, Jdun, been here for a couple of weeks. Love everything you are doing. Very calm, no vulgarity for the most part, and choosing DOD. You've turned me around. Thank you. Thank you for being here, Ryan. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you being here. And every time you guys use code Jdun, you guys support the stream. You guys support the squad. And keeping these lives free and valuable for y'all. Technically speaking, that trade wouldn't have stopped out. It would have gone below 40. That previous candle was ugly.
Yeah, I hated wick.
Thanks, Charles. Appreciate you, bro.
Just reject Nation high, previous day high.
Don't. I've gotten 2 payouts this week, 5 for 5 green days last week, and 3 green days this week. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. All right, let's see how this candle closes. Let's see what we get here. And I'm free falling. Got the Tradeify select accounts up as well. My daily payout accounts with Tradeify. Yeah, I'm not fully bought in on the long move just quite yet. Not just quite yet. All-time highs are a little bit different for me. I'm a lot more patient. I'm always patient. I always choose DOD. but I specifically stay extra patient at all-time highs. And we close back below those levels, so that would for sure be invalidated. For sure. For sure. Yeah, car is just dying. From 900 almost to 300 is diabolical. Tell me that ain't some manipulation right there. That's some manipulation if I've ever seen it. I think we need the lava lamp on too. Maybe that's the final touch. We were hitting bangers with the lava lamp. What? Hey. I love my lava lamp. You hush. Yeah, lava lamp's on. We're cooking now, guys. We're cooking now. We failed this 15-minute high, failed pre-market high, so that invalidates all longs. We got one more line of support here. We got 27,000. We got point of control, and we have VWAP right around this area. Yeah, we got lava lamp on now, so we'll be good. We'll be all right. Hey, you guys know the deal. TikTok, y'all got to get to 110K plus taps on the screen, likes on the screen if y'all want to be part of the giveaway too. You guys got like 800 people in here. You guys all tap for a minute. Tap, 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 tap. Get those fingers moving. Get that blood flowing. You'll be there in no time. Same deal with y'all, YouTube. I appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up. You guys unlocked one giveaway. Let's see if you can unlock the next 3. And remember, it is FFF Day. They put code Jdun as the top discount for all their plans. No other code will get you this. You can get 50% off your first 5 accounts from the Prime and Premier. Use code Jdun up to 5 accounts. This is the same firm that Gene, my mentee that's with me right now, you guys know, has made over $20,000 in payouts from. Gene says his mouth is doing all right. All right, let's see how we react at 27,000. We got point of control, VWAP, and whole psych number there. Big level. Ooh, we got a continuation candle there. We got a continuation candle there to the downside. Not a 2-bar because we're still bullish, but that's tough to long this. It's tough to long this right now. We'll see how we react to this 27,000. We'll see how we react to this 27,000. Could we get it today, folks? Could we get a nice downtrend day? Could it be a thing? We'll see how we react down here. We are 30 minutes in. No trades for me yet. Just waiting on price to confirm. It is not a 2-bar because we don't have a trend yet. Now, if we got an aggressive move down below this 15-minute low and below this low a day, then we'd technically be downtrending. And if we had higher volume, aggressive candle, we could look for a retest up and then continuation down. Just got to stay patient for that to happen. Don't. No. Just waiting for an A+ setup, guys. Because we're free fall. So we could get, I'd love to see us get a close. We still have 3 minutes or 2 minutes on this candle. 3 minutes? 2.5 minutes on this candle. So no, this doesn't count as a 2-bar. Why is this not a 2-bar? What is the qualifications that a 2-bar needs in order to be a true 2-bar? It has to be a trend entry. If it's not a trend, it could be a reversal. Like say that we reverse and have higher volume at this 15-minute high and pre-market high. Sure, you could use a retracement of that and then keep your stops above the highs. But to be a quote-unquote 2-bar, you have to see a trend entry. The only reason you use a 2-bar is to catch a retracement when you might not get a full retracement on a strong trend. It's not a trend-setting candle. Not a trend-setting candle. We don't trade it for a 2-bar at least. This might give us a long entry, guys. I might have to, if we get a strong close here, I may have to look at this for a move back down to VWAP and then stops below like the 15-minute low. You guys see that? What I'm looking at here? We have a strong reversal candle off whole cycle number 27,000, off point of control, off VWAP. I would have rather a sweat pre-market low, but I'm going to look for a retrace on a 27,000 if we close this candle strong with stops below like 970. So 30 points of risk. I think it's worth a try. We'll see how we close this candle, though. If we don't close it strong, then that idea I just said gets invalidated. see. Watching for a move down to see how we react to 27,000. With those stops will be below 970. Come on. No, 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 no. Not right now. Not yet. Don't you do it. Don't you move to 27,005 and go. Don't you even think about it. You go back down right now. Downwards dog. Yoga class is in session. Yoga class is in session. We need downwards dog. Downwards dog. Don't make me get the hammer out again. I don't want to have to do that again. Just give us a nice... I want to see us touch this like VWAP and move up. Come on. All right, let's see how this candle does us. Come on. All right. Watching. Let's see if we can get a wick back up now. Try to piece along, guys. Try to piece along. 27,000. Tried that, and I'll keep my stops at 970. So I have 30 points of risk. Had to try it. We have point of control, VWAP. If we close below those, I'll stop early for a loss, but I had to try it there, guys. I could not try it. I have hard stops in at 26,970. Whole psych number, VWAP, point of control, VPA. If we got this reversal here and I didn't try it, I'd be very sad with myself. I want to see at least 27,030. Come on, push it up. At least we know now if it doesn't work. We're up 25 points. I want at least 27,030. Come on. Come on. Rapido. Gene, what is go up in Spanish? You're supposed to know this. Arriba. 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 Vamos arriba. Rápido. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go above 30. Go above 30. Go above 30. I don't like that volume a ton, but I do like the candle. I don't like that volume a ton. I don't like that volume a ton. It went 20, I swear. Went 29 points. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I'm going to move my stops up right now to 88, guys. So it'll be only a 12-point loss if it goes below. We'll keep it basically break even. I don't like that we just sold that off. Literally 1 point away from where I was going to take a partial. That's annoying. It literally went to 29. Wow. Wow. I honestly, I would keep my stops the same below 70. I don't think it's a horrible idea, but I don't like, we didn't have much volume on this candle. So that spooks me a little bit. That's so annoying, bro. What? I'm taking that back. I'm gonna follow my original plan. I'm gonna put it at 70. I'm gonna give this a little more room to breathe. I'm not gonna add anything more. We just 1 point away from where I was gonna take some off. That's annoying as heck. It's all right. Follow the plan. One of the bigger move. One of the bigger move didn't work out so far. I don't like that volume either. That sucks. That sucks, guys. That is annoying. You see that, Gene? 1 point, bro. I can't even believe that. I can't believe that. I'm just in awe. They did me so dirty there. 1 point. Literally 1. We were so close. Let's see. Let's see what we get. I'm sticking to my plan. If we do close below VWAP and point of control, I will stop early for a loss. Or if it stops me on my planned stop, I'll just obviously get stopped. See, here's the thing. This is the exact example I like to use of like see green, take green. People are like, oh, well, you could have just taken profit. It's like, well, I guess, yeah, but I wouldn't have gotten my profit target. If I was risking 30 on this, I wanted to make at least 30, and it gets 29. So is it extremely annoying when it gets that close? Totally. But did I follow my plan, and over time, will that pay me more than emotionally selling just because it's green? I have my hard stops in, guys, at 970. So if it goes down on this candle, I'll get stopped out. I'm not going to add anything. I'm not going to average down. Wanted my 30 plus points, and ideally wanted to move higher. Just didn't happen to work out there. 1 point away. My huevos are extremely blue. Unreal. Unreal, guys. Followed my plan, which I'm happy about, but that one's annoying. I'm going to take a few minutes off after that one. My huevos are so blue from that, it's not even funny. I can't believe they went 1 point away. It's still in. My stops are at 970, but it doesn't look great, especially if we get higher volume on this candle. We'll see. No, bro, 1 point away. Nope. We close below VWAP and point of control.
Candle, the 10 a.m. candle had some pretty
Yeah.
high negative delta.
It's back at break even, everybody. Back at break even. Still holding original plan. I'm gonna move my stops up to 77 now. So only 23 points of risk now. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Rise from the dead. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Come on. Above 30. I don't take any off until 30. Stops are now at 77. 23 points of risk. If you're scared, if you're nervous, if your huevos are whatever the color they are, you can manage how you see. I want to see not 27,030 plus first. Rapido! Rapido! Where's the magnet? Where's the magnet? Where's the magnet? Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. No. Don't do it again. No. No. My stops are at 77, guys. So if we go below 77, I am out of this trade. Below this, let me move this up a little bit. There we go. I'm going to push the magnet up. So like this will push it up. All right, let's see. Let's see if what we did yesterday works too. I have an idea. I think this might be it. Hold on. Come on. Go. Go. Give us our 30, baby. Come on. Come on. I know you got it. Come on, baby. 30 plus. Let's go. For all that is good and well. Come on. Come on. It's working. It's working. It's working. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go up. Come on, baby. Give us 30. Give us 30 plus. If you want to, you can set your stops to break even. You know, I'm going to go ahead and move my stops up one more time. I'm going to move my stops up to 80, 87 below this 5-minute candle here. So now and I'm going to keep them here. Worst case scenario is like a 12, 13 point loss. So come on. I don't like how we keep rejecting this. So I'm going to keep my stops are below this previous 5-minute candle low. It'll only be 12 points, so very small. I'm going to keep it here. It's actually 87. So none of these freaking worked. None of my strategies worked. We got up to almost 30 points. Just couldn't quite get it. This does not look great for what I'd like to see with a VWAP, point of control, and 27,000 bounce. You got multiple moves up, and we failed 30 every time. So 86.50 to be exact. 87. I get stopped out. What is that? 14 points? 13 points? 13 and a half points? Like, this don't look good for the upside right here. You guys see this? It got me, guys. I'm out of this trade. 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 I'd almost even argue that shorts look good. I hate flipping from long to short or short to long, but look at this 5-minute candle right here. I hate doing that. I hate flip-flopping. Because then if you're wrong, and it's just like, well, it's double pain at that point. But it doesn't look half bad for that retest of VWAP and point of control with stops above like our previous target, which was 30 that we blue balled once, twice, 3 times. So I'm gonna wait for a second. I'm not gonna flip, even though I think it does look decent for a move. That's so annoying, man. So close. Setup was great. If I hadn't have taken a trade yet, I would honestly look for shorts around this 27,000 with stops above this high right here. But I don't want to just flip. So only like 13 points there. We'll take it. Only 13 points. Kept it small. And almost got our 30-point take profit. So I'm going to wait to see how this develops, and we'll look for another trade. How annoying. Sorry, guys. I really thought that was going to have some continuation up. I really thought that was going to have some continuation to the upside. Just a lot of risk right here. It's kind of 50-50 ball. So we got to take this off. People don't think we're still in. I don't think shorts look horrible here with stops at 30. Knowing how this market's been, we'd run it and then die. Hopefully that doesn't happen. If anyone's in shorts. When we got up 29 points, it was almost 1R. It just edged it. It edged it real bad. Let's see here. Just hanging out around 27,000. So that's why sometimes, too, I also keep more of a scalping mindset at all-time highs as well. It's just sometimes it works out better, but at the same time, if we would have gotten the move I wanted and had that strong reversal, I wanted to hold more of it for a bigger win. So that's the cost of holding for bigger wins, is you just get stopped out here and there. But as a reminder, guys, if you guys need an account to trade, you guys can use code Jdun with FFF. It's FFF day, meaning that we have the highest possible discount of the entire industry today. 50% off the primes, 50% off the premieres. Let's see if we can if we can get a nice winning trade today. 113-point stop so far. We're up 29 points, and it edged it, and watch it's going to go now. It's all right. We still got room for, like Vince Carter, baby. I got another one in me. Don't you dare do it. It's going to do it right here. It's going to do it. After this BS wick candle, whatever it is right here, you're going to call it. Wow. Wow. Well, almost wow. Let's see if it edges it again. Again, it just can't. There's a freaking wall at that 30 area. I'm so tempted to try longs again. Fingers on the trigger. Just, it's going to go here. This is going to be the time. It's going to go right. It's going to go. Don't do it. It's going to do it. It's so going to do it. It's so going to freaking do it. What's the low here? Oh, the low is perfect. Just right where I sold my position. That's the low. About 50 cents below. I still like the longs now. I take back. There's no world in where I would try shorts if and only if we went to like, if we fail these lows right here, strong move down, maybe you could look for a retest back up and go, but I still looks like the longs want to push. If we can hold this 27,000. It is hesitating. It's just being slow. That's all-time highs for you. Welcome to all-time highs. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. Well, it just went and barely touched 30. I'm not even sure it would have been quick enough for a trim, but we got PT1 if we would have been in. Here's what scares me about a pullback, or what makes me more hesitant for say, is look at this candle and then look at the volume correlating. It's lower. If we had higher volume here, you bet your butt I'd look for a retest back down here. No question, stops below here for longs. I still don't hate the idea because we're at 27,000 and we still have view up there and point of control there, but if we had higher volume, I'd for sure try again right here. If we had a rising volume 5-minute candle here, I would most definitely try longs again down here. If we had that, like almost for sure. These all-time highs are sneaky, tricky sometimes. In my drop top. I think there is a world where we see a move back up. I think there's also a very possible world where we just die from this 27,000. I initially wanted to see us come move up. If we would have had higher volume on this candle, no ifs, no buts, no coconuts, I would have taken this long down here again. I still think we could. I still think we might move. I probably will send now. Probably will. My bias is right a lot of the time. I will say that. The times that it's doesn't happen often that I have the wrong bias and lose. It does happen, not super often. Most of my losses come from I just get wicked out, then it goes in my direction. I think that's fair to say. Obviously, you guys can tune in if you have seen differently in chat, but I think that's a very valid thing to say. Usually pretty correct when it comes to directional bias. What's happened? What the heck? Check, check, check. Huh, that was super weird. Oh my gosh. Now I'm annoyed. What the hell just happened? Bro. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Woosah. DOD. 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 D to the O to the O to the D. It's all right. Bro. Oh, I'm hella annoyed. So annoyed. If we get higher volume on this and we pull back, I'm ripping alongs. No ifs, no buts, no coconuts. Higher volume, pull back, it's coming. If and that's the only way. We need a strong candle here. Pull back down. We target highs. We ride. It's all right. No, I didn't. I stopped out for a measly 13 points. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm going full Vince Carter mode. Well, I'm glad you guys held, and I genuinely mean that. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, mean that. Oh, thanks, Gene. I swear I will rip this full size if we get what I want to see. I'll do it. We got volume. Need the volume confirmation. Pull back down. Unleash the dogs. Come on. Give us... We got 1 more minute on this candle. You mean revenge trade? It's not revenge trading if you have a confirmation. If you have confirmation. Revenge trading would say, all right, I'm angry. I'm going to enter here. You know what? I'm going to channel my inner Steph Curry and go clutch mode. Maybe that'll help if I speak positively on your guys' favorite player. All right. Down by 3. Curry, top 5 ever. Super great. Definitely not overrated. Here we go. I love Curry. For sure, top 5 of all time. Not even an argument. Let's go. This is not a great candle either. 40. Talk good about Shy and you'll get a trade. Talk good about Shy. Is there free throws in trading? Well, could the market pause so I can get free throws? If so, yeah, no. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, definitely deserving of the MVP. Definitely, stats-wise, deserves the MVP. Yeah, definitely so deserving. Definitely the best, most valuable player in the year. Yep, definitely not overrated. Definitely has better stats than Jokic. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I would definitely rather have Curry Shy on my team than Jokic. Because they're definitely both really, really good. Bro, I can't believe this. Give us a pullback. I'm ripping longs with all I have. With everything no, I'm kidding. Not with everything I have. But I am ripping longs if we get a pullback. It's happening. We're above the 50%. So annoyed. I cannot take this unless we get a pullback. No pullback, no retracement, no trade. DOD. Don't you dare go up first. Go down and then up. You can go down and then up. You can go downward dog and then upwards after. I'd like to see a pullback down to like 30, 20 to 30. Stops below like probably 27,000. See a pullback down. I won't rip it up here. As bad as I want to, as bad as your emotions will say, come on, chase it, do it. Just gotta wait. Gotta stay patient and choose DOD. As tough as it is sometimes. As tough as it is sometimes, gotta choose DOD. Appreciate y'all being here and using code Jdun with FFF. It is FFF day. This discount will end today and 50% off will no longer be here. She has used code Jdun. I'm basically 0 for 0 today. I'm technically 0 for 1, but 13 points. I don't really count it. FFF does work. Use code Jdun. All right, let's see here. Don't love how this candle is forming, but let's see what we get. Let's see if we can find a support base here. If we can, I'll try the longs. Stops below 27,000. If not, then I will wait. This is what I wanted to see, though. So move to 60. It's not 92. Well, you can count it. I don't count it. All right. I want to see how this candle looks first. I don't want a long and aggressive 5-minute candle to the downside. Oh yeah, we're 0 for 0.5. Yeah, there we go. That works. This is a tough candle to long still. I mean, look at this. It is giving us just nothing easy today. And as bad as I want to catch more move up, I mean, I'm not gonna force it. Yeah, we're over 0.5. There we go. We're over half a loss. There you go. So I'm just gonna wait still. I'm choosing DOD. Just waiting. I like the red pill. Why do these people come in and just hate all day? I don't understand it. I don't get it. I will never understand. They come in every day. I still love them and I still pray for them. I just will never understand it. Grown men, by the way. Grown men come in and hate on a trader with an 80% win rate who preaches good habits in DOD and does what most of the industry doesn't. You know, it's crazy, but we pray for him. Yeah, grown men, by the way. Yep. We're about to make this chat paid. About to make subscribers only. Think so, Gene? If they want to hate, they're going to have to pay $1. We'll charge them $1 to type. If it's worth $1 to them, then they deserve it. Maybe $2, maybe $5. Yeah. Still waiting. Yeah, these are the same people that don't return their carts after they get done grocery shopping. That says a lot about a person. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. Still waiting, guys. I'm not going to rip the longs yet. I want to, but I'm not going to. Choosing DOD. Setting a good example. Setting a good example, guys. Choosing DOD. It is fun. Hey, you should come check out the YouTube as well. Live on YouTube every morning. Jdun Trades. Full screen share. Let's see if we can get a confirmation candle here. If we can, I'll try it one more time. If not, they were hating on LeBron. And look, he's 2-0 against the Rockets. They always hate on free game. See, they were hating on LeBron too. And look at him 2-0. You know, LeBron is 100%, has 100% win rate in series where he's up 2-0. Fun fact. In the playoffs. What do you recommend on FFF? I recommend the Prime or the Premier account. They're both 50% off. You can only buy up to 5. candle just sucks. This candle's horrible. Not horrible in terms of its body, but the volume just sucks. Listen, if the Nuggets lose, I will cheer on LeBron. I will cheer on anyone except for OKC. Like, I hate OKC. Shai is the most overrated player I've ever seen in my life. Bro just shoots free throws the whole game. Not the MVP. I'll cheer for the Spurs. I'll cheer for the Lakers. Hell, I'll even cheer for the freaking Timberwolves over the freaking overrated OKC Thunder. Horrible. Anyone but the Thunder. Absolutely overrated. I'll start wearing a Steph Curry jersey on the damn stream before I ever root for OKC. Sure, I'm down for the Pistons too. Sure, bet. Awesome. I'm down. Let's go. Not a big Celtics guy either. I don't hate the Celtics. I hate OKC. The MVP race should be Jokic, Wemby, then I don't know, Cade Cunningham or something, then Luka, then maybe Shai in 5th place. Maybe. That's being very generous. Very, very generous, putting him in 5th. Jaylen Brown, Jaylen Brown's great. I'd even honestly put Curry in front of Shai for the MVP race, and that's saying a lot. You ask me if I'm putting Curry or Shai, Gilgeous-Alexander on my team. If free throws aren't a thing, I'm taking Curry all day, every day. All day. He's the MV3 free throw P. I still think this is going to move up. I still have belief in this moving up. I'm done moving my stop loss. I'm done with it. From here on out, I'm done with it. I'm either taking full-size losses or full-size wins. No in between. That's it. Effective. Where's the gavel? Where's my gavel? I'll use my coffee lid. Effective immediately. No more moving stop losses. I'm done with it. Until further notice, I'll let you know if that changes. The Shai Gilgeous-Alexander glaze is crazy. About someone who scores all their points off free throws. What? Oh, yeah, no, any team I will root for over OKC. Literally any team. All of them. Oh, yeah, I was a big D Rose fan back in the day. Huge. How do I hate greatness? I go watch Jokic in person. That's greatness. LeBron is greatness. Kobe was greatness. Shai is what we call the cap. I'm not even a LeBron glazer. I just respect him. Dude's one of the GOATs. It is what it is. D-Rose was greatness before Muse gave out its facts. Like LeBron, a GOAT. MJ and Kobe, my two GOATs. Jokic, a GOAT. Shy, decent player. Pretty good. We'll give him pretty good. Come on, give us a meaningful candle and a pullback. I still like the longs, even with after what it did to me. Here's what I don't want to happen, okay? I don't want to enter the longs up here. I don't want to try the longs up here. Have it pull back, have to add, and then go down, or have it just pull back, it don't add, and it just goes down anyway. But I still like the longs. You see anything you like, Grizzly? I don't watch the NFL draft. I have nothing against it. I just don't. I just think it's boring. I can see who got drafted in what order later on.
You don't watch the draft?
I never watch it. It's just boring to me. I don't watch NBA draft either. I don't watch any of the drafts.
You catch up with it in like 5 minutes after.
That's all I'm saying. I don't watch any of those. I just don't care.
It's a fantasy league starting back.
Yeah, right. You love talking about that, huh?
Where's that store?
You love talking about that. Bro, I'm so salty about that trade, man. Like, absolutely so salty about that trade.
This cross section is absolutely brutal.
I don't know why why'd I do that? And
What's the draft and what's this cross section for sure?
you know what edged my stop by 50 or by a point? By 1 point. It's all right. It is what it is. Right bias. I'm not moving my stop. Moving my stop actually was DOD. It made sense. But yep, I will not be moving my stops any longer. I'm done with it. I'm keeping my original stops and my normal price targets. That's what's happening. The judge ordered it. Would have been 70 points so far. If we get a strong candle close up here, I will look for the longs, guys, with stops below like this 38. We need volume here. Come on, give us. We got 2. You looking for the longs too?
I'm looking for anything this market to give me. Just show me something.
No, my luck. I'll take a good long setup and we'll get some stupid news or something.
Should go for a double top, set back off a little bit. You think the only day I take the trade on my personal.
As a reminder, guys, it is FFF Day 2. You can use code Jdun. It's only today. The deal ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Time for 50% off Primes and Premier accounts. Same ones Gene got 20K in payouts from. Deal ends today. Go run it up with them. Go get yourself some accounts in your storage. They're cheap. They've paid out 17 mil. And there's a lot of opportunity for growth on these accounts. You can use code Jdun. Your name is literally Shroom Pizza and you're in my live stream. Don't tell me to shut up. Hush. All right. Let's see if we get a pullback here. One more try if we get a pullback here for longs. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I don't think we're going to get the pullback, bro. This would have been almost a 100-point trade, dude. I am absolutely unhappy with my moving of the stop loss today. We get the slightest pullback. I'm taking longs around 70, guys. I'm trying it with stops below 38. If we get the slightest pullback. Come on, bro. Give us a pullback of any kind. 80 to ideally 70. I'd like to see 70 for a pullback. It's not. Why would it be revenge trading? Please, I want you to explain that out loud to yourself. Why waiting for the slightest pullback would be revenge trading? Revenge trading is acting your emotions. Revenge trading would be saying, all right, guys, I'm full size right now. I'm in. Screw it. I don't care about a pullback. I'm in, which is what I want to do right now because we're going to go to high a day. I mean, it's just going to happen 100%. It's going to high a day. Just what it is. Just what it is. We're going to high a day, and that's just what it is. Can't fight it. It's what's happening. When you get this much momentum up, you have a previous high day this close, it's going to happen. It is what it is. You can't fight it. That's what's coming. Here we go. We're almost there. You ready? Here we go. There we go. Told you. I swear to you, I will go full size if we get the slightest pullback. I'm ripping it with all I have. Full size. Full maximum loss limit 2,000 risk will be on. If we get the position I want to see. I'm so disappointed in myself for stopping that earlier. Just give me a full-size candle with rising volume. Pull back down, and I'll rip it with all that I have. Till then, we wait in disappointment. Until then, we wait in disappointment. So annoying. We're literally at all time. Well, the previous high is actually at 137. We're not right at all time highs. Come on, pull back. Pull back. Pull down. Down, 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 down. It's because y'all made me switch the magnet earlier. If y'all wouldn't have made me switch to the magnet earlier, it would have been good. But no, Jdun, you're pushing the magnet the wrong way. Just let me work my magnet magic how I work it, all right? I want to rip this breakout so bad, but it's not DOD, so I'm not going to do it. Like, so bad, I just want to go long here. So freaking bad, you have actually no idea. Because it's going to go. But I'm not going to. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to stay patient. Even though it's annoying. You're literally chill. I'm not tilting. I'm not even in a trade. If I was tilting, I'd say long, long, long. I always remember I got to watch my language on these lives. Like, wanting to do something and acting on it are two different things. The problem with a lot of y'all is that you act on it. Is you want to do something, you act on it when you shouldn't. Of course I want to rip the longs, but I'm going to wait until we get a pullback. If we get this pullback to down here, I would love to rip longs. I'm going to. I will rip the pullback if we get it to pre-market high and 15-minute high for sure. Boom, boom is what I want to see. I think it's just the lighting. I'm not sure why I look red. Maybe it's because I'm pissed off with this price action. Yep, they do. FFF does have trade of 8. Yep. They sure do. Yeah, everyone here is bots. Hey, chat, if I've helped you make money in the last month, type yes in the YouTube chat. Just let me get a head count of our DOD squad. I've helped you make money. Type yes. Look at all these bots. Look at all the bots. Yeah. Yeah. All the bots that can type. Yeah. All the bots. Yeah, yep. Asking everyone here is paid. First they're bots, then they're paid bots. Yeah, everyone's paid bots, guys. They're all paid bots. I pay my bots to come in. I pay them to type. You help this bot make money. I think today was probably, I can honestly say I think today was my most frustrating day of 2026 so far. Yep, FFF has trade of 8. They paid out 17 million. It said if you guys have extra funds laying around, great idea to get some accounts while they're this cheap. Seeing Jdun lose trades is like music to my ears. Seeing you win trades is music to my ears. I love seeing you win. I love seeing everyone win, even the haters. I pray that you have so much success in your trading. You hit your goals, and that trading allows you to take care of your family. May God bless you. I'm sorry that life has done things so negative and horrible to you that you prey on others' downfalls. Nando, not for over a year. Yeah, it's very odd. It's interesting, but welcome to the internet, guys. We pray for the haters. We want to see them win too. And they need to win more than we do, probably. I mean, life clearly is not going in a great direction for them. So we pray that changes. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you guys want to support the stream, today is FFF Day. Go get yourself a Funded Futures family account. 50% off till 5 p.m. Eastern time. Only 5 per trader. Come on. So annoying. It's all right. Got to take a picture of this. This would be a good recap. Yeah, I learned a very good lesson today. Today was the final straw. I am done moving my stop losses. I'm done moving my stop losses, at least in this market for the near future. I will be taking my planned full-size losses or hitting my full price targets. And that's it. Something I've noticed in my journal over and over again is that typically my bias is right. If on the losses I do take, I just get stopped out and it goes. So we take that and we stay accountable with it and we adapt to it. That's awesome, Tim. Do you keep a spreadsheet on your trades? Moving stop loss up is boss, but you take early profits on PA shit after your entry. You the best, bro. I'm losing my account just because I didn't follow DOD, and I'm sorry for failing DOD. I'm disappointed in you, but I'm not mad at you. Do better next time. Today is a prime example of DOD. You guys see it in the flesh. Stopped out by a point. Frustrated, moving on up, sure. But going on tilt, acting on it, nope. It's okay to feel frustrated. You're gonna feel frustrated, guys. You're human. You're gonna do things that ultimately frustrate you. Your job is to not act on them and blow yourself up. You know? I like order flow. Order flow is cool. I mean, in a sense, I use volume. I don't. I've also off and on used bookmap, but order flow can be great, volume based. So for sure. Yep, discipline isn't about getting rid of emotions. It's about not letting them control you. That's right. Come on, give it. All right, I'm going to step out for a second. I'm frustrated. Gene, come back. I'm going to get some water and take a lap around the house. I'm so fucking mad, bro. Pissed me off, dude.
Hello. What's up? I'm fine. Chilling. Do. You guys ready to have me for a whole week? My handle is dinero_trades. I was trading gold this morning. I took shorts on gold. I was longing right here. I could rip anything I want.
Don't tell me they're still moving up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be furious.
I know we're at all-time high.
Oh boy. This was my most frustrating day of 2026. For sure. Like hands down. On the first trade, it missed my first profit target by 1 point. It went and stopped me out by 1 point after I moved my stop loss, and then it ripped to where I wanted it to go. Absolutely. Like today is going to change a lot for me. Mark my words. After today, for at least until the market changes, I will not be moving my stop loss. Nope. Full size losses or full size wins. That's it. No more moving the stops. I won't move it anymore. Hold me accountable to it. If we trim, I'll move it, I guess. But like I said before, any sort of trims, no more. No more moving the stops. Done. I'm done with it. I'm not angry. I'm fine. I'm annoyed AF, but I act on data. And consistently, a majority of the time that I lose, it's because I move my stop loss. My bias is super solid. I'm very good at a directional bias. I would be very cautious with, it's not 1 day of data. I'm not saying that on 1 day of data. It's months of realizing today was just the final straw. Don't FOMO longs. Just wait. I'm still open to it. At this point, I'm probably just going to just take my baby L and move on. But we'll see. If we get this pullback down here, I'm open to long still too. Yep. Yep. It's all right. We come back with the next trade fire or tomorrow fire. See, I still got like probably 15, 20. I might stay on for another 30 minutes. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Let's see. Come on, give us a nice A+ setup, baby. Whoosh. Whoosh. Grizzly Glock, you see anything you like? You got a signal for me, bro?
I don't see anything, man. I'm trying to think what this supply was going to do here. You see anything else you're watching?
Not really. Just a pull back down to the like 80 for longs. Don't look like it wants to break that 100 though.
Like that, I see possible bounce around that pre-market high.
Yep. 80 to like 70 with stops below 40. Wait, I just don't think we're going to get it. It doesn't look like we're going to get it. We're very strong. Yeah, I'm very disappointed in myself today. Very disappointed. No.
GS a little bit tomorrow. See if I can.
Mad? No. Disappointed? Yes. I've learned my lesson. For the foreseeable future, I will no longer be moving my stops. I moved my stop up. Stupid. Stupid. Just absolutely looking back, so stupid. Like, why? Why did I do that? I would personally never enter longs on this rip up here. As much as it pains me to say that, of course I want to. It's not DOD, and I need to see a pullback. No pullback, no trade. Yeah, no, for sure. Today was frustrating. Beyond. You guys realize I got stopped by 1 point on that. 86.50. It went down to like 86 or 50 cents or half a point. Unreal. Absolutely insane. Because my original stop was down at like 70. If I would have kept that original stop and not moved it, just original game plan, it never even comes close to it in here and we rip up. It's all right. It's not going to happen again.
What is it?
I'm just talking to chat. I said I'm done moving my stops. I'm done adjusting my stop losses. I'm taking full-size losses or full-size wins. No in between. Unless I've had a trim. That changes it a little bit. But mark my words. That may come with more full-size losses, but it will also come with catching enormous trades like this.
All right. I'll see you all in the morning. Hopefully, we have a little better price action.
See you, bro. I'll be around for a while. I'm staying. I want to see pullback, move. Oh, we're doing a giveaway, but this live is ending no time soon. I'm chilling. I'm staying at least 20 more minutes. At least 20 more. Maybe till noon. Noon's my absolute latest. I'll stay Eastern time. So max would be 40. I won't stay on past noon. As a reminder, today is FFF day as well. If you guys haven't gotten your account yet, it's a great one to have in your arsenal. The Prime or the Premiers are both great. Go show some love. Use code Jdun. Today is the only day that they're going to be 50% off with code Jdun. It ends at 5 p.m. Eastern time. 5 p.m. Eastern time, it ends. Great accounts for you guys to learn with, add to your arsenal, get payouts on, and ultimately end up moving that to a live account. No activation fees and 1 day pass. Game changer. Yep. Done moving my stops. I don't know why Jdun moved his stop earlier. Jdum. A funded futures family. They paid out $17 million. They have trade of 8, 1 day pass plans, 3 days to pay out in the Prime accounts. Super solid. At 50% off for $80 an account with no activation fee, no brainer to add at least 1 to your arsenal. You can have up to 5. You can take it up to 5. I'm not even down. I'm just annoyed, dude. Like, why would I do that? Today was a good example. You have times where you're frustrated or upset, and you don't have to act on it. It's okay to be upset. It's okay to feel some type of way, but doing stupid stuff and acting on it's a whole different thing. Like, you know how bad after getting stopped by a single point, watching it 100 points rip, I wanted to just enter and rip it and just say F it. But I didn't. But I don't. Because in the past when I've done that, it ends up bad. Like every move I see this, every point, I'm going to be real vulnerable here. Every point I see this move out, bro, it hurts my heart. But guess what? We know that the good setup's going to come again. Like this is an A+ setup. It's going to come again. Like you don't get to type anymore. You come in here every day and hate. Goodbye. No one will see your messages anymore. Goodbye. It's been nice having you in here. Anywho, you know when you guys get stopped out or miss a trade and you watch every point move up or down in your favor, it just hurt. Like it sucks. But when you don't act on that, that's when growth is made. Following your plan, not blowing yourself up. I mean, my goodness, we're at 150 points from our entry. It's just a knife in the heart, but guess what? Your day's going to get brighter. Days are going to get brighter. Your trading's going to get brighter. It's okay. Yep, there'll be plenty of more setups. Plenty more setups. And honestly, I mean, on a positive note, the original plan worked great. I chose DOD spelt backwards. I know I did go long in the VWAP pretest. On the test originally. It just stopped me out by a point. When I moved my stop, it wasn't even my original stop. How many of you guys went and got FFF accounts today? A Prime or a Premier? How many of you guys are about to go run it up with FFF? I recommend the Trade of 8 account. You can use both charts. The Prime is only 3 days to pay out, which is great. If you guys haven't yet, they're 50% off today only. They never do 50% off. It's only for FFF Day with Team Bull with code Jdun. If you guys haven't got one yet, it's no brainer to get one to trade with. It's cheap. It's only like $90 with no activation fee. 3 days to pay out. Velocity is cheap. It's just hard. It's cheap. Because it's 3 day pass and intraday trailing. It's tough. It's super tough. Gene, what do you think? Prime or Premier account, and why?
So I like that the Premier accounts are cheaper.
He likes Premier is cheaper by $10.
Yeah, but those Prime ones, they didn't have those.
You'd prefer Prime now?
Yeah,
I
Prime.
I
They didn't have those when I was trading. Premier was the best account.
I think Primes are the best.
Let me look at the cats though.
Primes are 1 day pass too.
Yep. And I think it's 3 days to get paid.
Yep.
The cool thing too is you can have 5 accounts too. Before I only was able to have 4. I crushed a lot of accounts this week.
Did you?
4.6K.
Yeah, pretty annoying. What did ES do today? Is ES cooking? Oh yeah, ES is cooking. Oh boy, come on. Give us a retest. Wait, here's the only problem with the retest I see is if we do get this area I want to see, I feel like it's going to be a slow grind back up when I'd like to see us just boom and boom right off the rip. Personally. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow button if you're here on TikTok. I trade live every single day here and then on YouTube, Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button. I trade live, win, lose, or draw. You see the good and you see the bad. You see it all. Thankfully for us, most of it's good, but still, nonetheless, you see it all. Hey, yep. Funded Futures family is end of day on the Prime and Premier accounts. You can do end of day drawdown accounts, and they're both less than $100 with no activation fee.
Probably counts in 3 days to pay out.
So we're just getting no deep retracements. Nothing. I mean, I like all my I respect and like all my partners. Apex, Tradeify, Lucid, Alpha. Today's just FFF day. They gave us a bigger discount than anyone else. Just for you guys. They decreased their margins for you guys to have cheaper accounts. You can get up to 5 accounts using code Jdun. Today only ends at 5 p.m. Eastern time. One day pass and 3 days to pay out. Pretty crazy. Nothing, bro. No deep pullback. I don't know how I feel about 2 bar at all-time highs on the upside. Littleton, what's up, bro? Neighbors. Yeah, today hurt. Only people I want to stay. Yep, is what it is, guys. 1 point earlier. I mean, the bias was right. The strategy was great. You guys saw the setup. Just didn't end up managing it correctly. Moved my stop up a little too quick and got stopped out. Really? I'm just gonna keep it a bug with you, Charlie. I would never live in a house with other traders. I'm almost 30, bro. I don't mean that in a mean way. The vlog house, yeah, I would never, ever. I'm too old for that, bro. Like shit when I was like 22, maybe. I'm on a plane and now I'm scared to get in because it may pull back and the internet sucks. Well, then just don't trade on the plane. There's a simple solution to that. Don't trade on the plane. Shouldn't probably be putting a risk on the plane anyway. I'm not gonna lie, I have traded on the plane before, but I don't recommend it. I definitely don't recommend it. Oh, let's see. I really do just be yapping sometimes. Come on, sell it off. Sell it off now. Sell it off now, baby. Come on. We are flagging. Give us one BS news candle down. Rip. Come on. I'm going to work at Jdun Inc. Sometimes we surrender to dopamine. You shouldn't, though. Doesn't do anything for you long term. Oh, come on. Man, we had a banger idea today. That the setup today textbook, I would take that at 100 out of 100 times. My only issue was I moved my stop loss up just a little too soon. I shouldn't have done that, so I'm going to learn from it. I'm not going to do it again. I've been trading for 10 years. I'm constantly making adjustments, and I'm constantly trying to improve myself. And I will continue to do that, and that's why I will remain profitable. If you weren't here earlier, the trade that we took was we took this 27,000 area bounce for longs. My original stop loss was at this red line right here. As we moved up and we struggled with this 30 area, I moved my stop up to around this, to right here, to 986.5. We wicked it by literally 1 point right here, half a point, and then we moved up. So lesson learned is from now on, based on data that I've developed over technically 10 years of trading, but specifically in the last few months, is I will be leaving my full stops in place, and I will be taking either full-size losses or full-size wins. I'm staying on for 20 more minutes and I'm off. I'll do our giveaways at the end as well. You guys got to 3 of the light goals. So you guys got some accounts coming your way. So reminder, guys, that FFF sale ends today, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Go get yourself a 50K Prime account. It's only $90 with no activation fee and 3 days to pay out. 1 day pass. It's my favorite account they have. It's Gene's favorite account as well. He's been paid out over 20K with FFF. Still waiting. And I miss you here, now you're gone. An empty place in my heart. I'm not muted. Check, check, check. I'm not muted. Oh, I've been thinking about you every day. Appreciate you guys always rocking with me. Joining every day. Win, lose, or draw. I mean, today was a great trade. Just I moved my stop up a little too soon. That's it. You shouldn't, Mr. Coolio. The code's for the Funded Futures family. It ends at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I want them to see code Jdun's coming in and saying, oh, crap, we're about to get rinsed. We're about to get rinsed. I still like this bounce area at 80. I'm not sure if we sink below 100, but I still like this bounce area here. You know what we want to do here? What do we want to do here, guys? You know what, actually? We want to give our sad boy some hair. Give Mr. Sad Face some hair. He's bald and he's sad right now because he got stopped out on his trade early, and he's sad because he doesn't have any hair right now, and he wants some hair and he wants to make some money. So come down, give him some hair, and rise it up, baby. Send him to Turkey. We need some money to send Mr. Sad Face to Turkey. So if we could get a move down to pre-market high and then a move up, that'd be great. Ross said you just described me to a T. He said I took that personally. That's hilarious. Y'all literally cracked me up, bro. We're sending Mr. Sad Face to Turkey. Okay, come on. What up, Alexis? I'm coming to Switzerland. That shit looked fire. What, Tim? I'm trying, man. They got me by a point earlier. What's the best FFF account? I recommend the 50K Prime account. Great account to add to your arsenal. And just today, it's only $89 with code Jdun. No activation fee. It's today only, guys. I'm not kidding. It ends at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So in just a few hours, it ends. If you're serious about trading futures, if you're serious about getting a good deal, go get yourself an account with code Jdun. It supports you, boy. I do my best to help you guys every day. And I appreciate your support right back. Let's see if we can get this move down. Let's see if we can give Mr. Sad Face some hair. He might be getting like a unibrow, too. Come on. A little more. Below 100. You could technically enter at 100. It's just higher risk. That's that previous high. So that's what you risk there. See that previous high here? Come on. Push it down a little more. Come on. Give Mr. Sad Face some hair. He wants to smile. He can't smile until he gets hair. There is a chance we bounce at 100, guys. There's too much risk on that for me. Too much risk. All right, come on. All right, guys. I'm trying a small piece of longs. Tried the longs down there. Tried the longs at our planned spot. Small piece. I will look to add around 70 stops. Worst case scenario right now, put at 50. Come on. Come on. Now let's move up. Come on. Give Mr. Sad Face some hair. Let's turn that frown upside down, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's turn that frown upside down. I'm in the longs, guys. I tried the longs down there. It's at 20 points so far. Come on. Come on. I'm green right now in the day. I only lost 12 points earlier. I want to see a bigger move. I don't want to break my rules just to be green. It's a bad example for you guys. We're at 20 points so far. Almost. There we go. Now we're at 20 points. Come on. Move up. Move up. We want to see above 110. Come on. Come on. We got an initial touch. We want to see more. I have a worst case scenario stop at 50. I mean, we'll see how this candle closes. I like to have a stop in place just in case we would have just free fell down. I still like the longs down here because I still like longs anywhere from like pre-market high up here around 80 down to 70. Come on. Come on. I still like the longs on pre-market high down to like 70, down to this like 15-minute high. I want to get Mr. Smiley hair. First entry I like is pre-market high. A bit more risk there. A little safer is if you get to like 70, then you can just keep stops at like 40. Pretty simple. But I did enter the trade. I did. I've said it like 20 times. Probably not 20, but like. That's a tough candle though right there. I still like this area. I still like Mr. Smiley's hair area. With an add at 70, my stop loss would be firm at 40. Let me get this better for y'all. There we go. This is the only retracement area I like. It's down in here. Waited for it all afternoon or all morning. Almost said afternoon. That's what it feels like. Let me go ahead and mark. I always forget to mark this. This is my only last trade I'm taking, guys. Is these longs. I'd like to see a move up above like 110. Let's see what the 50% retracement of this candle is. I'd like to see a move above 100. 110 ideally. Don't you do it. Don't give us some more news or some BS. Come on, give Mr. Smiley some hair. This is the area I like, everybody, with stops. With this area, you can have stops at like 40. Looking for the trend entry here. If we fail this, then we potentially sell off. But if you're trading the trend, which is what I trade the trend, I like the 70 to 80 area for longs. I'm going to check my email. We have a 15-minute high. There we go. Come on, do it. This is my last trade of the day. If I get stopped in this, I will take my full-size loss to the chin, and I'll be done. But if I didn't take this retest right here at 15-minute high and pre-market high after this aggressive move up, I would not, I'd not be happy with myself. This is the area I like. This is that retest. This is it right here. We go below 40. I'm out, and I'm going to walk away for the day. Why is it? What the heck? Oh, shit. There we go. Don't do me like this, guys. Don't do me. Don't do it. If this tops me out here, I'm going to be very, very annoyed, but at least this is a good setup. This looks very ugly, too. This 5-minute chart looks extremely ugly, but I'm keeping my plan in place. I'm keeping my, like I promised, I'm keeping my plan in place. Come on. Push it up to 100 plus. Please don't give us a rejection up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it up, baby. You know what, guys? I really don't trust this at all. I don't trust this. I don't trust it. But I want to see my price target hit. I'm taking off a mini up here at 27,100, guys. I'm taking one off. I want to see more. I don't trust this previous 5-minute candle here. It's a little concerning, but if you add it at 70 to 80, you're at 20 to 30 points. I took one mini off up there. I want to see us move more. I don't trust this previous 5-minute candle. Where'd my music go? This is way too intense in here. Come on. Come on. Push us up. Push us up, baby. Come on. Let's just see it above 100 again. I don't like this. If we didn't have higher volume in this 5-minute candle, I wouldn't be tripping, but I am semi-tripping with how this 5-minute volume was in this candle. I got one trim off. I added into that 70, a bit above. So given that, we'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. If we close strong, I'll put my stop at break even. We got one trim off. I don't love that 5-minute candle, but I do think that there's a chance that we can move higher. We just need to see this 5-minute close strong. Come on. Come on, push up. If you added that 80 to 70, you're chilling right now. You should be green if you took both trades with me. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Push above. Come on, baby. Push it up. Come on. Come on. Push it above 100. We're struggling with that 100, guys. I'm going to put my stops. We got one trim off up there on a mini. I'm going to put my stops at 73. 73, guys. So, got one trim off up there. Come on. Break 100. I'm done trading after this. I'm done trading after this, guys. I got one trim off. One mini. One mini off. I'd like to see move above 100. So, move the stop after a trim. That was my promise before any trims. I'm done moving my stops now. From forever. Not forever, but for a while. Come on. I want to see up. We'll give him some hair. Come on. Come on. Push it up. Push it up. Come on. Wait, where's my... There it is. I don't trust that previous 5-minute candle, so... I'd like to see us move up. I'd like to see us continue up. I don't trust that previous 5 minutes, so... It's all right. Got our first ad at like 80, what was it, like 85? Then second ad, just above 70. So we'll take it. Got one trim for like 20 some points. I'd like to see us move higher, but I don't want to. The reason I chose 73 is because it's right around just below that 50% retracement. So you guys can see it on your screen. If you're willing to have a little more risk, you can put your stops at like 760, but it's been a stressful day. It's been arguably my most annoying day of 2026. So I'm putting that in as tilt prevention. I'm happy to end my day break even. Well, and there she blows. There she freaking blows. All right. I'm happy there was a decent trim there. I'm overall highly annoyed with price today. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have to do our giveaway. After our giveaway, I'm gonna get off. Gene, make me get off. I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed. Why, like, again, we get 100, but why can't we get continuation to the upside? Why? So annoying. No continuation whatsoever. Highly annoying, but I'm done. One mini off for like 20 some points. Disappointed though. I wanted more than that. Highly disappointed. Now watch it give a short entry. If this had higher volume, I'd say look for, nope, I'm done. I'm not trading anymore. I'd look for a short entry if we move back up here, but I gotta be done. I gotta be done. We got it to break even. That's all that matters. We're done for the day. We're done. Took one A+ setup. Got to trim off. No continuation. I'm gonna be done. So that being said, let's pick a giveaway winner. Follow the rules. Wait for that A+ setup. Got one trim off. We got that move from like 70 to 80 up to 100. I wanted to see more, but no continuation. And we will be done for the day. We will be done. We will be done. We will be done. We will be done. Even though low key, if we had higher volume, let's see, let's move up and a little short action, take it to low day. What is DOD? Discipline over dopamine. I lose with this guy all the time. Well, not me. You're not talking about me. You're not talking about me. I don't paper trade for fun though. Like I don't need the fun. I don't look at trading for fun. I look at trading to make money. I don't trade for fun. We didn't get smoked today. Who got smoked? You got smoked? I'm technically speaking, I'm technically green. I call it break even. I got one trim off for 23 points on a mini. I took one 12-point tiny loss. 13 point, excuse me. Now, if you held through your stop losses or didn't manage it or didn't trim, you are red, but you still shouldn't be smoked. There's no reason you should be smoked. Damn, that would have just stopped out there too. You should, if anything, you should be small red. Like, you should be small red if anything. You should be small red if anything. So, small red or small green. You're very, very highly unlikely not big green unless you held. And you're only big red if you didn't follow your plan. But if you're going strictly by points and management of the same positions, there was one 13.5 point loss, if we're being very specific, and one trade with a 20-plus point trim, and the rest stopped around break even. So, being said, oh boy, this action is gonna freaking give me a freaking stroke. Yeah, I mean, these people come on. They're on their break from McDonald's. So I get it. I mean, I'd be upset too, but it's all right. Call the banger trade this morning is having to move my stop up too quick. It's all right. We'll take it. I don't know why it's making me look red on screen today. I'm literally not red. What's the short entry I was talking about? I'd like to, if you were trading it, you'd have to look for probably like 70 to 80 with stops above 100. Like 70 to 80 with stops above 100 if you were going to trade it. Oh, Mr. Gene, today stressed me out. That first trade stressed me out. The second one was fine. Just didn't get the continuation I wanted, but that first trade was very annoying. I know. It is lunchtime. Mr. Smiley did not get hair. He gets no trip to Turkey. It's not very nice of NASDAQ. Gave Mr. Smiley no trip to Turkey. Let's see here. I'm finishing up something on my computer, and then I'm going to do our giveaway on YouTube, and then we will be off for the day. I got my codes ready. I swear if it rips now, I'm gonna be so salt. This candle doesn't have volume, so there's a very good chance it could rip through it. If we had higher volume like we saw with this, I'd say there's a very good chance that we reject again. Like very high probability we reject again. But given the overall trend and how strong this market's been, plus the lack of volume on this 5-minute candle here, there's a good chance we bust right through this. I don't think we probably have a lot of sitting sellers. Could be a short entry. It's just not as likely due to the fact that we have lower volume. Certainly could be. You just have to have stops above like 100. Above like 102. You know, sellers are being weak. This price action just don't make no sense. Just don't make no sense. All right, we are going to do our YouTube giveaway. Mr. Smiley gets no hair today. No hair today. Let me see here. Damn, we got our code. So here's the deal. Because the YouTube hit the like goal, I'm going to go ahead and end the TikTok. You guys can come on over to YouTube if you'd like. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's how you figure out how to enter the giveaway. I'll give you guys 1 minute. Go to your YouTube, hit subscribe, and come on over to Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all being here. Reminder, it is FFF Day. It is the final day of the sale. It is the only day of the sale. Use code Jdun for 50% off your Prime or Premier accounts. Today only, everybody. Today and today only. Today only. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end this. Come on over to YouTube for the giveaway. God bless y'all. Make sure y'all hit that follow button. I'll see you on the YouTube. Jdun Trades. And that's JDUN Trades on YouTube. Yep, see you guys on YouTube. Come on over. Peace. Watch, we're going to freaking rip now. All right, so first off, for those of y'all who have made an FFF account and who are logged in, I got something for you. I got something for you, baby. If you're logged into FFF, I'm going to give you 1 minute to log in. You guys should all be logged in anyway. They're 50% off today. I do my best to help you guys today. Was extremely frustrating. Like my most frustrating day of the year with that first trade. But nonetheless, we managed our risk. We kept with our system as annoying as it was. And tomorrow is a new day for us to execute. So that being said, if you're logged into FFF, the first code for a Premier account is right now, baby. Pre561. First code. First code. One use. Now here's the deal. For the next accounts we're going to give away, someone has got that account. Someone has got that account. For the next accounts we're going to give away for the 50K velocity, I have 3 of those. I'm going to give away not just one, I have 3. For the Prime, and then for someone who gets the Premier and Prime, I need you guys to DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Say DOD. Go bump it right now. That's the only way I can message you. JDUN Trades on Instagram. DM me DOD right now. I'm going to my IG. I got the codes. These are for 50K velocity accounts. Wait, Alex Sandoval. First message I seen. Congratulations. 50K velocity given out. Alex Sandoval, I'd have seen you message me. Your code's in your inbox. My phone's like vibrating. Y'all are messaging so fast. Second winner. Let's see if he follows me. He does. We got Noah No 512, second winner of a velocity account. DOD. 50K velocity. Mind you, the 25Ks are only $16 with code JDUN. There's your code, buddy. Next up, we got another code coming in. We got Southern Partisan. Said DOD Jdun, I'm always too slow. Not today, you're not. Congratulations. You got yourself the final velocity code. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun with FFF. The deals end today. 50% off the Prime and Premier end today. End today. There's your code, my boy. All right. Next up, let's do ourselves some Prime accounts. Oh boy. Let's do a Prime account. Someone is getting a Prime account right now. Let's see here. Scroll through. Boom, we got Ty Smith as the winner of a Prime 50K. Prime 50K. Congratulations. You got your code in your inbox, baby. So I'm going to unmute the Discord. We got a few more accounts to give away. All right. Who's ever still here in the Discord, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway in the announcements tab. Giving away 50K Prime FFF. One day pass. All right, you guys go emote in the announcements tab. In the announcements tab, go emote, baby. Oh. All right. Damn, we got hella emotes. We got hella emotes. All right, let's go pick from the Discord. We got. All right, Gene. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
We got Sac Honda. At Sac Honda. W's. Winner. $50K Prime account in the Discord. Let's go. Bada bing, bada boom. Congratulations, my boy. Let's go to my DMs to pick the final winner of the Prime and the Premier. Someone's getting two. Someone's getting two, baby. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, what happened? Okay, boom. We got Denisha Davis. Damn, sent like 20 messages. Support a female trader, please. Winner. Yeah, she's going to be happy. Congratulations. 56, 845, 29. And then a Premier, too. Changed my life for real. I'm glad DOD helped you. DOD all the way. That's right. All right, y'all. We're giving away FFF accounts today. As a reminder, that sale ends at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you want to take my next trade with me, had a scratch day today. Got a BS stop out on the first trade, one trim on the second trade. Stop around break even. So scratch day for me. Very frustrating. My most frustrating day of this year, if I had to put it in comparison. But I'm going to go do a lot of journaling, do some meditation, go hit a crazy workout, and I'll see you guys potentially for Power Hour, but for sure tomorrow morning, all right? God bless y'all. I'm out for the day. I'm going to go work out and freaking hit it hard and then go meditate and maybe be back on for Power Hour. God bless y'all. I'll see you later. Peace. Adios, everybody. God bless y'all. Did I end the YouTube? I didn't end the... All right, you know what? Fuck it. You guys stayed around. I think I have one more Premiere account to give away. Screw it. We'll do it. Why not? You guys stuck around till the end. You guys got your F accounts ready? PRE984. Final code, PRE984. Premier account 50K. One more of you gets it. Just put it in chat. PRE984. Sale ends today. Go get at least 5 accounts or up to 5 accounts. Use code Jdun. I'll see you guys for Power Hour or tomorrow. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.